Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Tech Ninja Muhammad, peace be upon you. This is the full camera review with the Redmi 9 running the latest MIUI, updated obviously. Anyway, this is the front selfie camera, 8 megapixel on the back. We have quad cameras, 4 cameras on the back, 30 megapixel main camera, ultra wide is 8, portrait mode is 2, and macro lens is 5, but I believe it's 2 megapixel also the macro lens. Nevertheless, this is $140 worth smartphone. Enjoying this review. You can have the picture samples and video samples all together. My name is Muhammad, and see you in the other video. Make sure to check my full review of this smartphone. Thank you. Okay, this is handheld footage, Redmi 9 front selfie camera. Walk in. Obviously the exposure here, the sky is completely blown away, but it's fine. It's fine here. It is cheap smartphone. There you go, check it out. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, this is good. This is good. I wish it's like that, but again, the sun, it is in front of me. It's not behind me. Check it out. If the sun is behind me, it is. The sky is completely blown away. You can see myself. Anyway, let's go next. This is the front selfie camera, 8 megapixel. The back camera, it has 4 cameras just on the back. Main camera, 30 megapixel. Ultra wide, 8 megapixel. Portrait mode, 2 megapixel. And macro lens also a 5. But
okay, this is macro video with the Redmi 9 after the updates. Running the latest MIUI.
Here you go, the leaf. Not bad for this price. It's a cheap phone, bro. Not bad. Cool quality.
You got again another close-up with a macro video.
Redmi 9 1080p, 30 FPS video sample and handheld footage. We are panning right now. Fortunately, there is no video stability with the Redmi 9. $140. So in my opinion, honestly, if you are into the camera, better spend like $10 more and buy yourself the Redmi Note 8. Redmi Note 8, it is from last year, but ninjas, why not just get Redmi Note 8, because it does have a better setup. Maybe it doesn't have some new features like the Redmi 9, but nevertheless, you get the point, yeah?
I just wanna hear my homie say she proud of me. Every time I leave the house, I tell her pray for me. Have you ever heard that heaven lies beneath the feet? So treat her like a queen that she is, yo. I just wanna hear my homie say she proud of me. Every time I leave the house, I tell her pray for me. Have you ever heard that heaven lies beneath the feet? So treat her like a queen that she is, yo.
I'm just trying to put in work, turning nothing into something. Coming from manure, all we ever knew was hustle. Make it out the hood, put our homies in a better home. Feeling these emotions, we was taught to never let it show. I can tell you about my life when you understand. My homie got a PhD, all I had different plans. We was homeless many nights, sleeping in the cold. Father left me as a baby, I forgive him though. I recently just met him and I'm 24. Used to have a lot of anger till I let it go. Now I really know that love is the answer. Young youth never knew that hate was a cancer. I just wanna hear my homie say she proud of me. Every time I leave the house, I tell her pray for me. Have you ever heard that heaven lies beneath her feet? So treat her like a queen that she is, yo. I just wanna hear my homie say she proud of me. Every time I leave the house, I tell her pray for me. Have you ever heard that heaven lies beneath her feet? So treat her like a queen that she is, yo. Shout out all the homies, yeah. Shout out all the homies. Shout out all the homies. Shout out all the homies. Running around with the homies, getting litty, but you homies stressing. If she ain't happy with your life, you gon' lose your blessings. Take advantage of those moments every single second. She only got one soul, she won't get a second. If you don't do it for your homie, what you living for? I swear it hurts knowing homies be in nursing homes. I'ma care for you regardless of the situation. You my best friend, type that can have a replacement. Homies first, homies second, and homies third. Whatever my prophets say, then that be the word. So I'ma treat you like a queen, give you the world, and always keep you in my praise when you leave this world. I just wanna hear my homie say she proud
I just wanna hear my homie say she proud of me. Every time I leave the house, I tell her pray for me. Have you ever heard that heaven lies beneath the feet? So treat her like a queen that she is, yo. I just wanna hear my homie say she proud of me. Every time I leave the house, I tell her pray for me. Have you ever heard that?